Slip knot and chain 15. Half double crochet into the second chain from the hook, and half double crochet till the end of the row. Chain 2 and turn. Skip the first stitch and half double crochet into the second one. And now make one half double crochet into the skipped stitch. It means that you need to work over the previous half double crochet. Repeat it till the end of the round. Skip the first stitch, half double crochet, and then half double crochet into the skipped stitch. Chain 2 and turn. Half double crochet into each stitch. At the end of the round, don't forget to chain 2 and turn. Skip first stitch and half double crochet into the next one. Then half double crochet into the skipped stitch. And repeat till the end of the round. And in general we are going to alternate these two rounds, one round of simple half double crochet and another round of skipping the first stitch and then half double crochet into the next one. So we repeat these two rounds until you have 40 or 45, depends on your head. For me it was 43 rounds, and now I'm going to cut the yarn and leave about 10 centimeters to sew the end together. Sew the edges together on the wrong side and make sure that you sew through all 4 layers. And turn your work right side out and you are done. And don't forget to hide the ends of the yarn, so I'm going to use the needle to do this. And right after, it's indeed completed. Thank you for watching this video, hit the like if it was useful, subscribe to my channel for other tutorials, and see you in the next one. Bye!